Welcome to lesson 4, plant responses to the environmental stimuli. Before we continue with lesson 4, we will look at lessons 3 review. Now, these are the 5 needs of plant growth. These are the important factors that help plants grow. Plants need oxygen for life processes. Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Plants need sunlight to produce food. Plants need soil for growth. And finally, plants need water to produce food. So this is the main points from lesson 3. The vocabulary for lesson 4, number 1, survive. Repeat after me, survive. Survive to remain living. Okay. Number 2, environment. Repeat after me, environment. Environment is everything around us. Number 3, response. Repeat after me, response. Response, a reaction. Number 4, humidity. Repeat after me, humidity. The amount of moisture in the air. Number 5, stimulus. Repeat after me, stimulus. Awakens to activity. The last word of vocabulary today is influence. Repeat after me, influence. Influence is something that affects events. Now, plant responses factors. One of the main factors, of course, light. Plants always face the sun. If you have a plant on a windowsill of your house, you will find that the plant will bend towards the light. As you can see in this picture, this is what these sunflowers are doing. They will follow the sun. Where the sun is where they will face. Now, temperature. Some plants change color as temperature changes. Also, they can have movement. You notice that you look at these pictures, when the rise in temperature is quite hot, then the flower is opening. But when the temperature is very low, then the plant tends to close. Some plants in the morning light, when the temperature is fairly good, they will be white in color. And then as the temperature gets lower in the afternoon or evening, the plant flowers will change to a deeper red. So we can actually have color change in plants and a reaction to the temperature. As you can see in these pictures here, the reaction from the warmer temperature to the cooler temperature. Humidity, the growth of roots into a wet area. Now, humidity in the air causes a lot of moisture. So the roots will follow where that moisture is. If the moisture is to the left of where the plant is, the roots will go left towards the water. You can see in this picture where we have an abundant water. Abundant means a lot of water. Then the plant's roots are following down to that water. And in the other picture, in B, the plant has a water shortage. It's not getting as enough water as it needs. And you'll see that the plant tends to start wilting. It's drying out. The leaves are hanging down and it's not looking healthy. Now, another one is touch. Some plants will close when touched. We have a couple of pictures here of a Venus flytrap, and you'll see that this fly has landed on the open Venus flytrap. And as the plant feels the fly's touch, it closes so it can trap the fly and then eat the fly for its nutrients. So what is stimuli? Stimuli is how plants react with the environment and conditions around them. Now, as you can see, this is a very short lesson. So I have attached a video of the process of plant growth for you to look at to help you with a visual understanding of plant growth. So this is the end of lesson 4. Don't forget to complete the quiz, and we'll see you again for lesson 5.